Zinam Valli has established Hyderabad as the largest integrated life science ecosystem in the country. We are known to be the vaccine capital. This journey started sometime in 2000 where we chose around 150 acres of land, but it was not a gleaming laboratory kind of thing. It was a barren land. And from there we have come to a stage where we are producing one-third of the vaccines. That's really a remarkable journey. It's a testimony of tenacity of the bright mind, the industry leaders. At the same time, it is also a testimony for progressive policies of the state government, which has always invested in encouraging the young minds, creating an ecosystem where ideas can become life-saving solutions across the globe. During COVID-19, when entire globe was looking for vaccine and we being the at that time second most populous nation, we had two vaccines which were invented and created in Zinam Valley. One Covaxin, second Carbovac, which was done by Bharat Biotech and Biological E, now the global giants in the field of life sciences. And I'm happy to appreciate that but for these two vaccines, things would have been really scary. These vaccines help us save millions of lives, not only in India but across the globe. Today, Zinam Valley is home to more than 300 companies that includes global giants as well as homegrown domestic big names, and we are proud to say that Zinam Valley is providing the required medicines not only for the country but also across the globe. In fact, vaccine diplomacy everybody must have heard of during COVID period. That was mainly one of the major contributions of Hyderabad to the country. Today we are in silver jubilee year of Zinam Valley, and we are going to unveil our Telangana Rising document in the evening, and I want to tell the entire audience here that when it comes to life sciences, a number of steps have been suggested in that document, and in that entire initiative, Zinam Valley has to play a very, very major role in the years to come till 2047. This success has made us think much bigger. We are seeing unprecedented interest from global giants towards Hyderabad in the field of vaccine and manufacturing and advanced manufacturing. That strengthens our belief that next 2 decades will be life sciences sector where we have to move towards precision medicine and advanced manufacturing. Zinam Valley houses the largest multi-tenanted lab space in the country with around 3 million square feet of space, and very soon we are going to add 2 million square feet there. In addition to lab spaces, we have created One Bio, that is country's first common scale of manufacturing infrastructure, which will help companies establish proof of concept, and this has been done in collaboration with Thermo Fisher, which Honorable Minister inaugurated around a month before.